I really think glitter is totally for every day, not just for a glitter tear moment. Glitterpill is made with an exclusive ratio of eye-safe glitter colors and sizes for the most eye-catching sparkle. The brush is wider at the base to cover larger areas and tapers to a fine tip for delicate lines. This part's great for going over your winged liner to turn them into sparkly winged liner. You can also use Glitterpill alone for an all-over airy sparkle like I'm wearing, or as an eyeliner in a more understated glitter look. If wearing alone, I recommend pairing it with an eye primer or glitter primer for the longest staying power. Glitterpill looks extra magical when layered over Chrome Addiction Matte, Chrome Addiction Shimmer, or any other liquid eyeshadow. So I've already done a wing on Dominique using Chrome Addiction Matte in the shade Burn It Down, and I'm about to add Glitterpill in the shade Money Please. If layering, remember that glitter should always be your last step. So I'd say if you're new to wearing glitter, try Microcosm. It looks like crushed up diamonds from afar, and it's filled with reflective rainbow accents up close. We're done.